Let's talk about ALLPRO's product line. ALLPRO has a product line of epoxies, crack filler, color pots, polyureas, and polyaspartics. So let's start with the epoxy. The epoxies are separated by part A's and by part B's. So the part A's come in clear or pre-pigmented format. When it comes to the part B, that's what we call our activators. Our activators are going to determine what the surface is going to have as a finish coat. So we have our regular cure and we also have our fast cure. The fast cure is primarily used in the winter months when the temperatures go below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Then after that, we have what we call our contaminant controller. The contaminant controller is used for any floors that have any contamination issue. Then we have our moisture vapor barrier. Another product that's used for any moisture on the floor and you want to mitigate that moisture, you're going to go with the moisture vapor barrier. We also have color pots. So if you're buying the epoxy in a clear format, you can add a color pot into it and you get the pigmented to the color of your choice. That is our epoxy family. All of these products can be pigmented, they can be broadcasted with flakes or quartz. The second product we have here is our 100% solid crack filler. This product is primarily used when doing any superficial repairs. So it comes in a 2-to-1 ratio, as do the epoxies, and it's more of a mastic product, so it's easier to apply. We have our polyurea product line, which is polyurea, which is a 2-to-1. This is it's similar to, it's got the same characteristics as a epoxy, but it's a quicker product. So it's a quick return to service. The disadvantages is not UV stable, as the epoxy isn't. So you want to be very careful when applying this product. It's got to be broadcasted with a flake, okay, or an aggregate. Then we have our polyaspartic family. So in the polyaspartic family, we have our regular cure and we have our winter cure, right? So the winter cure being the fast cure. So for the months where the temperatures are below 70 degrees, you want to be able to use the fast cure because the installers will have a quick return to service. These products can also be pigmented any color of your choice. You use the same color pods as the epoxy. They can be pre-blended in the color of your choice. Advantages of the polyaspartic: UV stable, scratch resistant. It's got all the good attributes to it. So this is the product line we have at ALLPRO.